Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showcasing my Rubik's Cube collection, which has grown much bigger than I had ever expected. It all started with a 2x2 that is no longer with us. I've got over 50 cubes in total, and each one has something unique about it. Some are pretty classic, but others, well, they're a little more interesting. Here's the classic 3x3, which most people think of when they hear Rubik's Cube. Then there's the 7x7, which takes a lot more brain power to solve. And, if you're into the weird and wacky, the Ghost Cube is a good challenge. Some of the different cube formations include the Pyraminx and the Megaminx. I also have different sizes, including 4x4 Pyraminx and 2x2 Pyraminx. They all give a different challenge based on size. And for the Megaminx, I have both a larger and a smaller version. These shapes might look familiar, but solving them is a whole new ballgame. For me, cubing isn't just about the puzzles. There's something meditative about it. Whether I'm solving for speed or just taking my time, it's always a rewarding challenge. This is just a glimpse into my collection. I've been cubing for about a year and a half now, and it's been such a fun journey. It all started with the 2x2, may it rest in pieces, but it set me on this path. If you're curious to see more, I share cubing tutorials and tips on my YouTube channel. Feel free to check it out if you want to learn more or see the cubes in action.